Within the island's hotel sector, turnover is high. This includes executive positions such as the role of the general manager. The president and CEO of Tropicana was recently on the island to interview candidates for the GM role. Here is what he says are some of the prerequisites for this role. Brian Sediford, who has been the general manager for the Tropicana Hotel since 2010, has resigned and will be relocating back to his hometown, Las Vegas.
I'm actually in the process of interviewing for Brian's replacement. I'm really sad to see him go from a professional and a company standpoint, but I'm excited for him because I know how important it is for him to be next to his kids. So it's kind of mixed emotions, but I'm confident that any one of the candidates that I've talked to, that everybody will be happy, and I'm excited about what they're going to be able to bring to Tropicana and to Aruba.
We spoke with the president of Tropicana Entertainment to gain a better understanding as to some of the criteria necessary in hiring on the new general manager.
Well, every one of that I've spoken to has either currently resides in Aruba or has significant ties to Aruba. So I think that that's critical, that they understand the environment, the government, and the different rules and laws and things that you referenced.